Well, hello guys, this is Dan Giles, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. I've dedicated this channel pretty much to DIY projects, the things that you can do at home. And if you're a maintenance technician and you're out in the field at an apartment community or condos or hotels, motels, I really hope that these videos help you to get you through a problem that you may have. In the meantime, I haven't done a whole lot of clean out on my tool bag here in a while, and I figured I'd go through and do a what's in my bag kind of thing. So let's check out what's in my bag. You know, one of the reasons I started doing these videos was to help people get through some of those things that they weren't quite sure that they could do. Wanted to show you that, you know, you can do it. So I hope the channel helps you out. These are all the tools that I use in my daily activities. That's years of putting tools together to make sure I had everything I needed. You don't need all of that, you know, but I do suggest that you buy quality stuff. You don't want to buy junk. Last thing you want to do is have something break on you right in the middle of a job. So buy the good stuff. Don't be afraid to. You'll never be sorry. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming by the channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. I'd hate for you to miss an upcoming video that could save you some money and some time. As far as all these tools go, you know, you don't have to have every one of them that I've got, but make sure that whatever your job calls for, that you got the right tools for it. And don't skimp on the tools, especially if you're going to keep using them over and over again. You want it to be quality stuff. So with that, I want to say thank you again. Thank you for being part of my community. I'll see you soon.